everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video styling my hair with the Ghd Rise. So I bought this during Black Friday and I just haven't got around to using it yet. So I had my hair coloured earlier. Don't you love it? Chloe is the best. And we just kept it straight because I was going to go for a nap basically after. So I thought I would basically just try and style it a bit using the Ghd Rise just to show you guys, because she got a really nice bit of volume on my hair. And actually it was nice to talk to her because she said the best thing to do would be blow dry your hair, and for me upside down, get a lot of volume in the root and then style, because then I'll get that lift with this and the blow drying. Basically that will give me the best results. Excuse my lispiness. So yeah, I'm going to plug this in, grab my heat styler and we can begin. I'm really excited. So I plugged it in, it's just made a beeping noise, and then I'm just going to hold it down, and it usually takes around 90 seconds to heat up. So just as I was looking for my heat styler, that had already beeped to say it was ready. Just a quick one because it's burning. I got the Beauty Pie Christmas candle and it smells beautiful. It really does smell like Christmas. So I'm gonna go in with the Kerastase, like a pump and a half of the Kerastase. I've got the purple, it goes with the range, the heat styler, just because I love it and it is amazing. I remember the first time I used it, I could not believe how soft my hair was. So I've just put that through on the ends, and I might just grab a clip to section it. Use a hair tie because I can't find my clip. There we go. Just looking around. And I'm gonna start from the bottom, and I really just want it nice and flicky on the end. Sorry, I'm using this my screen as a mirror. I just want it nice and flicky on the ends. I might apply a bit more heat protector just as I go, so that everything is fully protected, because I'm a bit nervous. I don't want to damage, oh sorry, you could see my underarm. I don't want to damage my hair when I'm going to be using this. So it's already hot and I can feel the heat coming off, but it's not like uncomfortable. And I just want to flick mine up, so I'm just taking it like so, wrapping it up to my ear, and then just sort of brushing it out, yay, whilst I undo it. And it's actually steaming a lot, but I think that's the amount of product I've got on my hair. I'm sorry, I don't want my top to come up. Right, so I don't know if you can see that. There we go, and upwards, and hopefully that's gone as curly, and then we can feel a bit of that actually, so maybe it didn't flick as well. I'm just going to go through it. Oh yeah, I can see it didn't take as well, so I will just roll it. Oh, I love it. And I think it's going to be a real good and easy styler. Whoop. There we go. So this is what the first section looks like. I can't actually see the back, so if it does look stupid, it is what it is. And I'm just going to take the next section out and then sort of guess. I think this next section will be its own one because the rest are sort of give it a blow dry look, and these ends would have definitely got covered. So this is all nice and straight at my root, so I don't need to get in there. Oh, I'm so chuffed. It sounds so lame, but this is like the easiest way to do my flicks. Whereas before I was blow drying it, pinning it, and it just was a lot of hassle, whereas this is so quick and easy and just gives you like the best look. Well, the look I like, sorry, I was like hooking it under and then just brushing it till you sort of know your ends are through the plastic cones. So those aren't hot, they're not heated. They are just there. And then I'm gonna do the same on the back. You can see. Hopefully that's taken a bit better. I'll be editing this like, what was I thinking? Just doing that brushiness, and you guys get the idea. So this bit just won't take, but I will. Oh, same on this side. I think I'm just not getting it in. Oh, guys, I love it. I feel like Cindy Lou. So you guys can see this is a bit more. I haven't tamed that side as much. I don't think it's as curly. But that's what it looks like. And let's get on to the top. So I'm just going to brush this section through. I like where my... What's that? Oh, it's a kink. God, sorry. I was like, I've ruined my hair. Right, let's take this front section out. And then we can pin it. She says, you can just throw it up. Because I do actually think I was wrong. And the rest of it is also going to be in a kink. So it needs to be curled. So I will quickly curl the rest of this. Ah! The fringy. I'm just taking a bit more heat protector, which is probably too much, but I'm just panicking. There we go. So let's just give it a brushy. Like so. And then I think we're just gonna go like so. So, oh god, I don't want that bloody Farrah Fawcett look. Maybe I should go under. more like that, I guess, but I don't want it flicking out. What have I done here? So I guess you could get the height like that, and then if we sort of tucked it, that's better. So if we section off, get the height. That's a bit better. I prefer this side, but I think these fringy bits is like a process. Plus, if I'm literally just combing it through, it's not going to do anything. So that's... How did I do that? I did that, didn't I? And then that. So let's do the same. There we go. Right. Let's turn those off and try and get some sort of styling. Now obviously this is my first time, so I think it's a bit like a blow dry, you know, like you could fiddle with it for ages until, I know I'll be a nightmare because I do just end up quite liking it tucked behind my ears. And then with my sorry, I've got Desperate Housewives on. And having it like that, I think. So all that fiddling with the fringe is kind of unnecessary, but let me grab some oil. Oh, I love it. I hope it looks nice from the back. If we just sort of... And it's got a nice bit of root lift, which is mainly from Chloe's Blow Dry. But I'm yet to practice using it with sort of like any products, any root lift products, which I definitely will need. Oh, sorry guys, the colour is just the best. Cool, so guys, I've put some oil in it and I'm so pleased. I think the Rise is like a super easy way just to create like, I do think like a blow dry salon-y look at home. I definitely want to watch loads more tutorials to get more of an understanding on the best way to use it. Because at the minute all I've been doing is like doing my fringy bits and then flicking. Well, I haven't even been doing that, but that's what the plan is. So I want to sort of get a better understanding, and I definitely want to try it on long hair so that I can sort of see if I could create a bouncy blow dry look in probably like half the time. So yeah, so far guys, I'm so pleased I bought it. I know this was just a quick little styling video, nothing crazy, but hopefully if I do my research I can come back and do a really good tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe and leave me a comment below letting me know if there's anything you want to see. Yeah, thank you.